Does your home have low water pressure? Well, I'm Mike with Michael J. Turner Home Inspection, and that's what we're going to discuss today, having low water pressure in the home. But before we do that, we need to have some of the fundamentals lined out for us. Using PEX pipe, which is polyethylene, is just basically a chain of ethylene molecules referred to as polymers, hence the name polyethylene. And they use HDPE and LDPE as the high density or low density, whereas PEX introduces peroxides, which is a form of oxygen, prior to forming it, whereas they do it after the effect of extruding into the tube. Now, taking a look at the photo on the left-hand side, we have copper plumbing tube. Basically, we're getting 100% of flow of water in through this. As you can see, the copper sleeve is on the outside diameter. With PEX A, we're losing 64, and then at brand B, we have 68%. And taking a look at this photo, we can see the 3/4 copper tubing. We can see the 3/4 elbow, okay? And that elbow is actually soldered, sweated, whatever you want to call it, connected to the tube on the outside, whereas the PEX pipe is located inside the tubing, therefore restricting the water flow pressure. Now, taking a look at this house here, most cities will have a 50, 60, 70 psi at the initial start. As it goes up this trunk line to feed water to all these fixtures and tubs and toilets, we're going to lose pressure. Now, to compensate for losing pressure, we need to increase the trunk line. Well, many people like to just take 3/4 PEX and then just run that throughout the whole house and then branch off that. Now, sometimes those 1/2-inch lines go into the fixtures, which most fixtures will take a 1/2-inch line, will run for quite 10, 15, 20 feet. So they have to compensate for that. They need to bring that 3/4, that 1 inch, the 1.5 inch, the 2 inch, all the way as close as they can to the fixture to compensate for that difference. These are just basically stub outs. This one's a copper stub out where they put the PEX here. Now, this is a 1/2-inch line that's going to feed the fixture to a toilet. So we want to make sure that we have enough water pressure that can fill up the tank quick enough, and we're not waiting 2 hours for the tank to fill up. So we should have a 3/4 to a 1-inch pipe coming all the way up to this area. Then we'll convert it over at this section here to get that 1/2-inch line connected. Same thing here. We can see the 1/2 inch runs down underneath the wall, and then hopefully underneath this floor area, they've made a connection to where it's 3/4 trunk line or a 1-inch trunk line. So whenever you have low water pressure, it's due to the PEX pipe restricting the flow because the fittings are inserted inside the tubing rather on the outside of the tubing. If I tell you a 3/4 copper line, you best believe it's going to be 3/4 inch inside the pipe. Whereas I tell you 3/4 PEX, it is not 3/4 on the inside of diameter. The 3/4 is measured on the outside. So to restrict that flow, we need to increase the line size of the trunk. Thank you for watching this short video. Visit our website at turnerhomeinspection.com. Like us on Facebook or leave us a review on Google. Have a great day.